Just got here to this Italian ice place.
Ready?
Cool.
Ready?
What?
Okay, for the riddle.
Okay, can we talk about the riddle and walk at the same time?
Okay, riddle. 3 legs.
Okay.
4 legs in the afternoon. In the morning. 2 legs in the afternoon.
So you have 2 legs in the morning and
3 legs in the night. What am I?
3 legs in a monster.
No.
I don't know.
So a baby in the morning has 4 legs that they're crawling, and then second is a mom, which has 2 legs. It even tastes like Italian ice. It literally just tastes like ice.
Oh, that burns. I drank some out of the can.
Emily got mango.
Can I try?
What?
Can I have the cherry?
You can have Kaylee's cherry. She doesn't like it. I want mine.
Yeah, Mom wants hers.
Harper got
Don't put it on there.
candy. Ooh, Harper. You're a vibe, Harper. Look at it. Matches you.
Yep, white and blue.
This literally tastes like cotton candy ice cream.
You just got the basic.
Root beer flow. I'm a basic bee.
We know.
How's that, Emily? Good? I think isn't the bathroom over here somewhere?
No, like I can't go, but it just
All right.
killing me.
We just got to downtown Disney, so we're walking around. There's the girls. Harper is in her Elsa pajamas dress thing. She wants to go get a balloon.
Oh, babe, I forgot to change. I accidentally walked into the women's changing room. Luckily, I went to the first stall.
Accidentally.
No, I went to the first stall to the left, and I'm in there changing, and all of a sudden I hear, Mommy, and I'm waiting to hear, like, it was a dad maybe, and she's like, no, just stay right there, sweetie, and then I hear water in the stall next to me, and I'm like,
Such a cute one that she has right
I'm
there.
like, oh my gosh, I'm in the women's
There.
$12.
Hey. Wow. That's so cute, Lovey.
Don't let go of it.
Yeah, don't let go of that.
What? Legos. But they didn't used to have areas where you could build a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, the demo table.
Friends.
No.
This is so cool.
That's cool, you can build an Adidas shoe.
I know.
That's pretty cool.
There's
That's pretty
oh my
cool,
gosh, this has all these. Oh, look at the Moana one on here.
dude. The Excalibur.
Oh, look how many Legos it took.
Yeah,
A
that's
lot.
great. A lot.
A lot. Do you want to go over there and look at the pin area?
Wow.
Look at, she's making it look like a watermelon. How cute. Oh, look at the ones right there.
Well, what is she? Oh, whoa.
She makes it look like a watermelon. It's so cute.
Oh, dude,
2
that's
marshmallows are on it. And there's like green and yellow
That's
in
apple?
there.
Look at all the other ones.
Yeah. Look at.
Cool. Whoa.
Oh, that's how they do it. Inside out.
That's
So cool. It's Harper's birthday morning. How old are you?
8. Should I go in Dad's room to show? So we also
We'll show him afterwards. Open it right here. What?
Thank you so much. I got fidgets.
What is it?
Fidgets.
Is it your fidget box that you wanted?
Yeah. I got slime. Wacky track.
Harper's been asking and asking for a fidget box.
A bike chain.
So I got her this one. There's a bunch of stuff.
Oh. I don't know what this is. I'll have to open it. Oh, it's a watercolor. A puzzle ball. I want
What
to
is
try
that?
out the puzzle ball. It's a puzzle ball.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Did you like it?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So she's gonna wait on opening up the rest of those. And I let her open up one. Right, Libby?
Yeah.
All right, she's opening. She convinced me to open one more.
It's a new car.
She already knows what it is. I could tell by the look
No.
on her face.
I'm just happy.
Take a guess.
I know what it is. Yes! This is the one I wanted. That we saw at the store. This is the one I said what I wanted. Thank you.
You're welcome.
One last present because I forced her. Needles! A needle! Thank you!
A what?
Mom got me a needle.
Harper.
I didn't know. Gotcha, look! Miko stickers!
What?
Miko stickers.
Oh.
Miko.
Let me see. What else?
These poppets are so pretty. Whoa. What?
It has a bunch of mini things.
Oh, that's so cute. New goggles. Autumn has these ones.
She does?
Yeah.
You could bring those today. Maybe she'll bring hers.
I love this blanket.
Wait, other stuff flew over there, Harper.
Huh?
Over there.
A face mask. Like not one, like I'm not one of those. Like an iPad. Another one? You want me another one? She's so pretty.
That's kawaii.
Yes, this is kawaii.
Huh?
Yes, this is kawaii. She's so cute. And her. But she is adorable.
That was the only little baby that I could find.
She's so
I couldn't find those
cute.
other ones.
She is adorable. I love her so much.
This is
I
kawaii
need to open my
cutie.
needle. I need
This is
to.
kawaii cutie.
I need to open this.
Show Dad what that is.
It's a needle, Dad.
It's the same as the stuff that you popped last time. Don't pop it though, okay?
No, Emily popped that because I never touched it. And then
Yeah, the
Emily.
stuff inside smells like lotion, and it's weird.
You okay? Got eye boogies?
Wow. I love this wrapping paper. What a beautiful present of wrapping paper.
Oh yeah, it's nice.
Unfortunately, I think you got something.
Huh?
We got like the same thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Which I was
I didn't get that.
We were supposed to be similar though.
No.
Turn it over.
Careful
with the envelope.
It's
waiting.
The card out. Careful.
Something's in there.
What is that?
Yeah, I got two of them. One for her and one for Scarlett.
What is it?
Read it. You know how to read.
Whoa, $100?
Read it. You know how to read.
Oh, wow.
That's why they're both wearing green.
Hey, I'm not getting
Read
old.
this first.
I'm not getting old. I'm not getting old.
Oh, okay. Aw.
Read that part
Cute.
first.
They're real. They're not fake. They're real.
Pretty.
Yeah.
Real silver?
And Scarlett, she got the gold one.
What's super? What is
Real,
Superb.
real pretty.
Superb.
They were both pretty. I mean, I like them both.
Totally terrific.
I got them out of a locker.
Gosh, this girl. I swear.
Somebody left them in there. And I.
Dear Harper,
Happy
happy birthday to
Bye guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure sure to like, comment, and subscribe and share.